I need the link to the stream. Just give me a sec, guys. Gotta just share the live stream link on our social medias. The usual deal, you know. But welcome to anyone who's watching literally right now. That is kind of crazy. Shane knows me too well. Knows me way too well. Okay, so we got... Alright, so I post on Discord. Shane, good to see you again. Okay. Just gonna do that. So... I got posts on Twitter, the Discord, so... it might take a little while to start the stream because I'm trying to move all of Leo's assets because I don't know. I'm just assuming all of Leo's assets are paid. I mean, that's kind of what he told me, so I'm trying to move them to a new folder called paid assets, and it's taking a lot of time, but and that's why it took a while for me to start the stream, but glad that we are here today. Hello, Laser. Good to see you as well. Alright, I'm gonna go and tweet this out. Alright, back at it again with Fortnite Clone. We are currently live trying to figure out the gameplay ability system. Hashtag UE4, hashtag Unreal Engine, hashtag gas. I'm just gonna say Fortnite Clone. Hashtag multiplayer, hashtag game dev, hashtag game. I'll literally just do gameplay ability system. Why not? Just write out the whole world. Okay, let's tweet it out. Let's go back to the chat. Beast, I knew you would find it anyway. But yeah, this is taking a while though. So currently building mesh distance fields. So I have no idea how long it's going to take. And also after this, I have to move a couple of other folders too, because that was absolutely not the only one that was like a paid asset. So Phil, I didn't get anything from the guys directly from PlayFab. One of them might have joined the server. I think I might have, but see, I have no idea of knowing. Maybe they will get in contact on Monday. Yeah, I could see that business hours, you know. Why are you building lighting? Beast, honestly, I didn't even do this. Literally, when I moved I moved the folder named Leo to a new folder called Paid Assets, and this just started happening. It took forever, and that's why I didn't want to start the stream earlier because I knew it was going to take a while. Also, this is going to be a tough stream because I found a lot of videos, but I don't know if I want to play them through my desktop audio, like, and stream that to you guys because I might get copyright strike. So it's not like, it's kind of rude. But I did find some articles as well, so I guess in the meantime we'll just, because I found this one good video that I want to watch, but I guess I might do that off stream. I guess for now I'll just read the documentation. Okay, gameplay ability system is a highly flexible framework for building abilities and attributes of the type you might find in an RPG or MOBA title. So I briefly watched a video on this, like very briefly. I wanted to watch in full, but they're all like really long. Oh, just do the BR, but Beast, they're like, these videos are all like hours, or like not hours long, but like almost each an hour long. So we'll see. If this was Twitch, I honestly wouldn't care because people like play other people's videos all the time. But we're on YouTube, so it like actually kind of matters. So yeah, I briefly watched a video. So from what I've gathered, it seems to be like kind of gameplay ability system is just like a collection of like so abilities. There's abilities, attributes, and effects. So. And one of the main benefits is, like Phil said in a previous stream, like there's that client-side prediction. So this is really built for multiplayer, so I can see why this is like in high demand. Beast, no, Beast, I'm still out. This is just pure water. Okay, you can build actions or passive abilities for the characters in your game to use. Sup, Kai, how you doing, man? Or resource cost to regulate the usage of these actions, change the level of the ability and its effects at each level, activate particle or sound effects, and more. Put simply, this system can help you to design, implement, and efficiently network, that's secure, in-game abilities as simple as jumping or as complex as your favorite character's ability set in any modern RPG or MOBA title. Gameplay abilities themselves are C++ or Blueprint children of the U gameplay ability class. They define what the ability actually does in C++ code or in Blueprint scripting, as well as establish elements of how the ability should be created, such as replication and instancing behaviors. Phil, that's what I like to hear. That's probably the route I'm going to go to. I can't pronounce your name, sir. I'm sorry. Isn't GAS sucks? I'm actually not sure. I mean, this is my first time exploring it. Maybe other people in the chat can answer that better than me. The logic within a gameplay ability would generally call a series of asynchronous building blocks known as ability tasks. So we got ability consists of tasks, and the course of the logic that defines the ability derived from the abstract U ability. Okay. Derived from the abstract. Oh, I thought you meant you. Okay, never mind, Phil. I think I misunderstood you. I meant to say I was going to code my own abilities. Okay, ability tasks are written in C++ and frequently called one of several delegates or output execution pins when they complete their work. Also, is this done yet? No. Okay, depending on what the end result was. For example, an ability that requires a target might have an aim task. Okay, with one delegate or output pin for confirming the target and another for canceling the ability. And another for canceling the ability. Okay. Yeah, I've heard about the action RPG project. I might get that. But honestly, I don't know. I've just watched like some video. I don't know. Like I've seen like there's just so much documentation. It might not even be necessary. So we'll see. But I didn't use that gameplay ability system. Okay, I see, Phil. I see. That's crazy then. Sounds like a lot of work. In addition to gameplay abilities, the gameplay ability system also supports gameplay attributes and gameplay effects. We've got ability tasks, attributes, and effects. Gameplay attributes are float values stored within the F gameplay attribute structure that influence the game or the actor in some way. These are typically values like health, strength, jump height, attack speed, and so on. Gameplay effects provide a way to alter gameplay attributes instantaneously or over time, commonly known as buffs and debuffs, such as subtracting magic points when casting a spell, granting a movement speed boost while a sprint ability is active. That might be my goal for this stream, just try to make like a movement ability, or gradually restoring health points over the lifetime of a dose of healing medicine. That's why we got bookmarked this baby. Any actor that interacts with the gameplay ability system must have an ability system component. I found this really good video that I'll link because I wanted to watch this because I started watching it. He gives like a really nope, now it's going. I'm just gonna link this down because like I was gonna watch this. I might still watch it during the stream, maybe like without the audio or like my desktop audio muted. But like if anyone knows that video or has watched it, because that one seems to be, I've watched like a couple minutes of it and it seemed really good, so I might go back to that. But there's actually a lot of documentation, so. Okay, so So gameplay attribute. Okay, we read that. Any. Okay, so I mean, pretty self-explanatory effects and attributes. Any actor that interacts with the gameplay ability system must have an ability system component. This component will activate abilities, store attributes, update effects, and handle interactions between actors. Sounds really good to me. Once you have enabled the gameplay ability system and create an actor that includes an ability system, you can begin creating abilities and determining how actors should react to them. I mean, it seems pretty simple just from reading this. So, and I kind of did some reading of this on my own as well, but just that. Beast, you know I saw that plugin. I love that plugin. The Flop RAM channel plugin. Okay, so we're gonna just... Yeah, I might look at that video, because that guy, like, actually went into code. It was, like, really good. Okay. But yeah, this is the stuff to add the gameplay abilities system to your project. I just need this to finish. This thing's so long. And I have to move, like, more assets, too. Sup, Taj? How you doing? How you doing? Good to see you. Like sing everyone. Some OGs. The one I linked earlier is the best right now. Kai, I know, dude. I hate YouTube sometimes. There's no links in the YouTube chat. It like tricks you. Like when you send the link, it looks like you sent a link, but it didn't actually send. So if you have a link, feel free to put it in the Discord, because links just don't work on YouTube. I don't know why. I think maybe moderators can add links. Yeah, so as far as I know, I think I'm the only one who can add links in the chat, which I'm not really a big fan of. I don't know why YouTube does that. If anyone knows how to enable other people to send links to live streams or in live stream chats, please let me know. Yeah, I would appreciate that, Kai. Any resource is good. I have so many tabs open on my other window. Like, Beast, you can't send www.google.com in the chat, right? Like, it's going to censor it, I believe. I'm actually not sure if gameplay ability system was made for Fortnite. But Fortnite definitely is, like, is a very good example of, like, gameplay abilities and gameplay effects. That is definitely for sure. Alright, so this folder... Okay, so I can... So let me go to... Maps. No. Paid assets, layout, maps. I'm gonna open this guy up. Thank you, Kai. Appreciate it. So Beast can send... So mods can send links. Mods can send links. And I'll probably start modding you guys eventually. I'm just really lazy. Okay, so we got this. So... I can delete this now, I'm pretty sure. Okay, that's deleted. Alright, now I did not Taj. What did you do on Twitter? Should we let's look at Taj's Twitter real quick. Taj, what is your name on Twitter? Oh, okay, Taj Games 1. Wait, no, that's your old Twitter. What's your Twitter? And by the way, you can't send links, so it's gonna be really weird. Okay, so we got... Alright, but yeah, I still gotta move some other assets, so... Sent it. Oh, what a beast, Kai. I did see Cyber Dart Studio. Yeah, alright. It's funny because I actually have all of these open off screen, but I still appreciate it. That kind of just helps me confirm that these resources are good. But I will definitely get to them. It's probably off screen. Athena Big Boy. Let's look at Taj's Twitter real quick. Very pause. Are we following you? I'll just follow you. Didn't you have like another Twitter account? You have like 2 other Twitter accounts. What is this? I gotta mute my desktop audio and then play this. Not that I don't trust you. Oh, that's definitely modded. What is this? What is this? This is crazy. Alright, that's enough of that. Very interesting, though. Very, very, very interesting. Oh, that's true. If you guys want to support, you can always turn off ad block and refresh the page. Unreal Slackers. So, where's Unreal Slackers? Okay. I got it open. Gameplay ability. Like, there's a channel for it? Or just... Oh, okay. Oh, there's a whole... Wow. Pin messages. GS Shooter. Oh, wait, did I actually... I don't think I did have that one link. GS Shooter. GS Shooter. Okay, no, I have That guy made another project called GAS Documentation, but he also has a project called GAS Shooter. Alright, I'll definitely look at this then. GAS Shooter. We'll look at the code while we go through that. Very nice, Taj. We like to see that. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to hear. Alright, what was I doing? Oh yeah, back to the project. I need to move all these other assets and then we can actually get into the gameplay ability system. So just give me a little bit more time real quick. Okay, so the big folder was Lay. I'm pretty sure the other ones aren't that big. So we got audio blueprints. So I know audio is a big one. This is all. Yeah, these were all, I'm pretty sure, paid assets. Dan the writer. We can go, actually, then I'll get his documentation up here too. Wow. Maybe we'll just read this whole stream. Okay. Wow, this guy really, really goes into depth. I like it though. Alright, is this gonna work? Sorry about that, guys. Just give me 1 second. I'm just trying to copy all these assets. I need to, like... Because, like, I can't push these files to Git. Because I don't want someone suing Flopper. JK. That's not going to happen. But this is taking a while. Alright, then we can... Let's just read this. Or let me... I guess I read... Yeah, I guess we'll just read this. Okay, that's straight from the documentation. Okay. That's what I like to hear, Kai. I like good documentation. Good documentation is good. Definitely a big fan. All right, implementing level base. Okay. Applying. Okay, so gameplay tags and gameplay cues. Okay, that's new. Gameplay tag. What is a gameplay tag? Is that just like? I guess we can click on it. They erased for the gameplay tag. These are. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Okay. So, okay. So it's kind of like attributes. It's like kind of like more It's like in the same category as attributes. Can you test the game? Not now, Linux X, because the game is like just not in a good state right now. There's the Slacker link also. I don't know the what is the Slacker link? I think that was the Slacker link. I mean, there's more. There's a lot more actually. This guy made a lot of documentation though. This guy made so much documentation that this makes me cry. Gameplay cues where you do the FX. Yeah, that makes sense. Replication of everything above. That's the beauty of this. The replication. That's kind of why I really want to use this. And the client-side prediction. GS must be set up in C++, but gameplay abilities and gameplay effects can be created in Blueprint by the designers. Current issues with gas. Gameplay effect latency reconciliation. I mean, that makes sense. I don't even think that's an issue. I don't think you can really fix that, the latency reconciliation. I mean, if you have a lot of network lag, then you're going to be slower than everyone else. Cannot predict the removal of gameplay effects. Okay, that's interesting. It's true, Kat. We like that sweet, sweet client-side prediction. By the way, Mr. How would I say your name? Do you have like an English translation? I feel bad. Like I can't pronounce your name. But yeah, I'm in that Discord. That Discord is awesome. Lack of boilerplate templates, multiplayer examples, and documentation. Hopefully this helps with that. Okay, let's see. Man, it's taking forever. Yeah, that's definitely gonna be, again, definitely gonna be my first thing. I'm with you, Kai. Just gotta get the movement stuff. Literally just, if I can get a gameplay ability for a sprint, that's a good step for me, because I don't want to bore you guys. I'll probably do some other stuff offline. I'll probably watch those videos. Okay, so... Also, the code's a mess, too, so that's why I don't really want to do too long of a stream either. Oh, that's what we need though. Well, not now though. Okay, that'll be for later. Wow, this is really good documentation. In the sense that he covers literally everything. Okay, concepts covered. Ooh, perhaps guy. I mean, it's in here, so he does it in Blueprint. Video resources. I'm down with that. Bruh, this is still copying. I didn't realize it was so hard to copy files. Oh, man, I should have done this off stream. This is really annoying because there's other folders too that I have to do. And that one wasn't even that big either. Why is that one taking so long? Character backpack size to 5. What was it originally? Yeah. Just keep in mind that, again, person whose name I can't pronounce, that the files, the links can't be sent on the... Beast, I don't know why you had the Discord message me for that. Nah, this won't crash. The plugin's built in, Beast. Like, it's literally, it's integrated with the engine. Like, I was looking at that here. Like, you just do this stuff. And also in your U project file, you can enable it as well. Yeah, we got all of it open right now. If this does crash, that would be crazy. Beast, I've seen the FlopRam channel plugin. Don't worry. Did a good job. It's just, we're busy. Wow, this is taking forever. This is so bad. They're still using the system for guns and healings. The healings have gameplay effects where it gives you heals and plays an animation. Yeah, I wish I knew about it earlier, because looking back, we kind of. I'm not saying we literally made the game. We made a very poopy version of gameplay abilities for our Fortnite clone, but looking back, it was really bad. Wow, this is taking forever. How's everyone's day going? That's the real question. Beast, I didn't download the plugin, but I don't have. I'm sorry. I don't know what you want me to tell you. I can get it. It's on YouTube. Or sorry, it's on GitHub. I don't know why you're DMing me right now over it. Thank you, Kai. I see these Discord messages. Poopy, stinky Fortnite clone. How come you know all of this? Know all of what? Oh, are you talking to Taj? You're probably talking to Taj. I don't know any of this. I'm good. No school tomorrow? That's what I like to hear. Till Tuesday. Wait, you have, oh, I guess yes, summer school, yeah. Summer school is, I guess, kind of popular. I'm just like so not used to things right now because I think in America, the concept of summer school is so foreign. I don't know of anyone who's in summer school right now. Yard work's good. Wow, this thing forever. I'm really sorry, guys. This is not what I wanted the stream to be. You can tell it's doing something because it's like it says it's doing stuff. Are you going to do a series on this too? Gameplay bullets. It's in the backlog. I definitely want to, but I mean, I might. There's quite a bit of documentation on this already, and this guy. I mean, I'm gonna see Silverleaf because it's really gonna depend, right? Because if I can read if I can compile a bunch of documentation sources and like implement this on my own with like little to no trouble, I'm gonna gauge like how necessary a tutorial series is for this, because from my initial impression it doesn't look too bad. But I guess you could make that same argument about PlayFab as well, because PlayFab is definitely easy to implement in Gameless. So honestly, right now I'm gonna say yes, but if it really is like so easy to implement this, then I might not. This is still copying the files. Taking forever. I can't even start on this. Oh. Also, for people who are saying why didn't I do this earlier, I was trying to do this earlier. Oh yes, I just didn't think I didn't think this part would take as long as it just did. I was actually importing a bunch of like pivot stuff over. Yes, Beast. I know. I will import your stuff too. It took a lot of time to get pivots up in here, and I got the rest of it. So pivots fully merged now. So next up is, all right. This thing is still really slow. I don't know what just happened. They look pretty good, Silverleaf. I definitely would not deny that they are, or they're just really good. Also, now my Fortnite clone is just frozen right now, so we gotta keep waiting. So yeah, I mean, yeah, I'll think about it, because also we got the Sabre Art Studios. He made a video series as well. I haven't gone over it, but I mean, it looks very extensive. So, tutorial series, I know I just said yes, but it might be a no. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, there we go. Okay. That's crazy, man. It's taking forever. I mean, the other... Wait, I gotta think the other... Beast, we're on YouTube. And look, YouTube streams, not perfect, but, you know, we gotta... I want to grow the YouTube, because Twitch... I mean, I don't know. I feel like... I don't know. It's tough to explain. Initial implementation of gas is similar to grass, but things get complex down the line. Thank you for letting me know, Soul Relief. That's definitely a good forewarning. Because... yeah, I don't want to be in over my head either. Okay, so let me play this map again. My... compiler error. I think I know why. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's someone's email. But, just ignore that. I mean, it's whatever. Okay, so... BP Sky. Oh my goodness, this is actually so annoying. I think I know what happened, because when I was moving Leo's assets... Can I undo? Stuff's gone though. But his stuff is still here. Wait. Maps? Ooh. Oh boy. Did not see that. Yeah, really sorry about this, guys, again. I should have done this earlier. Easy to learn, hard to master. I can definitely see that. Easy to learn, hard to master. I love that phrase. It's better work after saving these files, because I already deleted that old folder, so that'll be really bad if this doesn't work. I should have done an advanced copy for all of them. Yeah. Because when I did Leo's folder, I just did the move folder option. I didn't do advanced copy, so that's definitely not good. Bruh, my Unreal Engine. Okay, I don't know what's going on. It's like frozen, kind of. Just gotta wait. It's very... okay. Okay. I think we're good. Oh no, okay. I didn't do... oh, it's here. Why is this not compiling? Is the landscape material height based? Taj, I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea. I didn't do any of this. This is all by a guy named Leo. Unfortunately. What's the error? Can I refresh? That worked? What about this? Oh no. Okay, what is... so out row... oh, is that all we have to do? No, that didn't work. Nope, abort. So why is this not working? Wait, what is this? Break. You know what it might be? Yes. Okay. Okay. Boys, we can do this. We just gotta match this. We got this, boys. We've tackled harder problems before. Oh my god. This is why I don't like blueprints. Let's all pray. One prayer in the chat, please. Okay, alright. Is it literally just as straightforward as just, like, that. Oh, okay. Maybe it's really easy actually. Wait. Oh my goodness. Ah. I'm gonna add really cool sound effects like ah. Ooh. He. Ha. Ha ha. Oh, I think actually, Taj, you're right. I still have the original. I still have the original. Or did I delete it? I actually still have it. But nah, why not? This isn't that bad. It's kind of fun and funny. Alright. Ah. Wow. No. Hee-ha. Ooh. Wait, am I doing this in the right order? I'm not. Okay. We're gonna go with Taj's advice. We're gonna just re-get this blueprint. So, where was that blueprint again? I gotta play the game to find out where it is. So this is in... Solar Relief, I'm a noob to Unreal Engine. Alright, BP Good Sky. Let's find this. Wait. Good Sky. Where is this? Paid assets layout. Okay. That's easy. Alright, let's just replace that then. So we got his. So Fortnite Clone. Layout, blueprints, BP. Thank you, Jordan. But we're just gonna go with Taj's idea and just we're just gonna get his original one because. Wait, was it? Oh, okay. Okay. Dynamic paid assets layout. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not ignoring you guys. I'm looking at the comments with my far range vision. Okay. Will that work? It still doesn't work? Oh, I know. It's because it's the same one. Wait. Oh, wait. That's actually a good idea. Well, I already messed this one up. Let's just delete this. Let's just delete this for now. We'll delete and then re-add it because I have no idea what's going on. This is the one that, this is the original one. Bro, why is Unreal Engine? It takes forever. Okay. Alright, let's just add this. Okay. No. Let's look at... Sky is not paid. That's actually what I thought. Because, I mean, there's literally a guy in the email that said, like... Or no, in the blueprint, it literally had the guy's email and said it was free, so... It's definitely good information. Also, I'll enable my desktop audio again. Okay, so... Or, I already... Oh my goodness. Sorry about that, guys. Small hiccup, small hiccup. No, you're doing it wrong. Special guest motorcycle. Right, Taj. The reason I'm doing this because I want to ignore all of Leo's assets from Git. You're right, Taj. It did break it because I was an idiot. When the project was open in Unreal Engine, I didn't do an advanced copy. I just did a move folder here. I might have to literally move it back. Because I don't know what assets of Leo's were paid. That's why I'm kind of just assuming that they're all paid. We're not reverting back just yet. Don't worry, don't worry. Hello, Alexander DC8. Welcome, welcome. Okay. Alright, go number 2. Oh, man. And the stream might be longer than I thought. We're opening. Man, I feel like such a noob sometimes. Thank God you guys are here. You guys are too nice. Alright, we're opening Fortnite Clone again. The loading thing is on the other monitor, which Pivot did a very good job with. Beast, I can't read. Beast, you sent me a picture on Discord. I absolutely can't read that. It's so small and very pixelated. Please be a long stream. That's what we're doing, baby. We just did that, Taj. We closed it and reopened it. Okay, let's try now. No. Yes. Please be a long stream. Maybe Leo. Not Leo. Maybe Kai. Maybe. I want to try and contribute maybe someday. Thank you, Taj. I appreciate that. It's gonna be a long time until that, because just this project is just so. And that's what happens. That's one of the pros and cons to doing a lot of development really quickly, especially when you don't know things as a beginner. It's not good. Mesh distance fields. Build these mesh distance fields. Mesh distance fields. Mesh distance fields. Build mesh distance fields. 2. If I go to number 1. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is taking forever. Thank you, Alexander. I appreciate that. Oh my goodness. What is going on? Oh. Who knows? Who knows, guys? Who knows? Not me. All right. All right, guys. We're almost there. We're almost at the stage where we will actually implement a gameplay ability system. I just gotta move the rest of his assets. Really sorry, guys. All right. All right. So we got okay. So we did Leo's. So we did Leo audio. So I can actually just show you guys what we got here. Leo audio. So the rest are this is Pivot's fork. I'm just using this to kind of just base off which folders were the quote unquote paid ones. Okay, so we got that. Woohoo! Sub? Thank you, Dave. Daniel Connery. Thank you for subbing. Okay, but yes. So paid assets. So we did audio. So I can delete that now because I did that advanced copy. Dude, even like Silverleaf said, even deleting folders takes forever. Like, what is this? What is this? Oh my goodness. There's so much stuff. Wait, is it audio though? Wait. Audio? Yeah, it was audio. It was audio. And this folder was just ignored from Git. I don't know why, to be honest. I put a note down to maybe not ignore this. So next up, okay, so we did audio, blueprints, developers. I don't know why does this folder show up? Like this random developers folder. I just get rid, and same with gameplay. I try. Oh wait, no, this is paid. Never mind. This is Leo's thing. But this folder always keeps appearing, and I don't know why. Same with collections. I'm just gonna make a note to. Well, I don't even need to ignore it because there's nothing in there. I only played one match because there's no one else playing with me. I'm sorry to hear that, Alexander. Yeah, the game is rough. Taj, I bet the entire Epic HQ hates me for that. Deleting inside you Unreal Engine is a pain. Reference instances and stuff. Ellipses. Yes, I agree. But yeah, these folders just keep appearing. All right, game. I gotta move this one. And then not that one. This one. I'll just control select all these. So I gotta move this one, gameplay, and then textures and vehicles. So I have to move 4 folders still. And this is gonna take forever too. Oh, my goodness, this is gonna be a long stream. Man, I wish I knew this. I guess I haven't deleted. Also, this is a lot. Like, he did add a lot of assets, and I'm very grateful for that because, again, some of this stuff is paid. So that's funny, Beast. I didn't know it said that. But yeah, I am grateful. But anyway, does anyone have anything going on? Maybe I could play some Type Racer. I'll just play some Type Racer, I guess. I'm just out of it right now. I don't know if you guys want to play though. Let me know if you guys want to play. I can always just play by myself because this is gonna take forever. He added so much stuff and it's all audio too. And we're probably not even using like any of this stuff, to be honest. Just delete from Explore. Okay. I trust you, Taj. That's good to hear, Alex. Wait, so just. I'm gonna trust you, Taj, because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Do I have to regenerate these? I forget. Hello, Jordan Desmond Carnell. Were you the one who just subscribed? No, but all good anyway. Your name looked familiar. I just recompile it because I'm like paranoid. Make sure to clean up the redirectors. That's why like I was wondering if it was safe to delete from File Explorer, but I guess Taj is right. Yeah, it shouldn't reference everything because I did an advanced copy. At least that's what I thought. I thought I did an advanced copy. Fix redirectors on the content folder. Guys, I'm very sorry. I don't know what you guys mean by fix redirectors. I'm very, very stupid. Is there an easy way to do this without Well, first I'm gonna open the project. It's okay, Alexander. Join the club. I'm not too good myself. That's why we have these nice people helping us in the chat. Alright, I'm gonna open his map again. This map takes forever. It's so big. Okay. Ah, thank you guys. You guys are... Oh my goodness, I did not know that. I have no idea what that did. Just making sure this works again. It probably will. But... it's so big, this map. Please don't make inappropriate innuendos. Oh no, where'd the sound go though? Well, there goes the sound. That's not good. Why is there no sound? Man, this map takes forever to play. Oh. Well. It was probably still using the old folder. You know what the problem is? The problem is that when I copied this folder, this Leo folder to paid assets, I didn't do an advanced copy here. I only did a move folder here. And that took forever, so now I'm wondering... But no, I appreciate that, guys. I didn't know that. I'm learning a lot from just reading your guys' comments about cleaning up redirectors. No, there's legit no sound. Oh man, if I do an advanced, I know if I do an advanced copy it'll work, but it's gonna take forever. All right, guys. We got two options here. We can just move everything back and I just write down each folder that Leo added and ignore it. Or we recopy this Leo folder into the project and do an advanced move here. But my word with that is that's literally going to take forever. There is no sound. But I'm thinking, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going with option one. Should I do it again? No, that didn't work. I didn't do an advanced move copy. I can't believe I didn't do that. Alright, I'm just thinking... Go to details, not world settings. There's no sound. I see. Alright, we're gonna go with option one. We're gonna move everything back to where it was. That's what I'm gonna do. Because that's the quickest solution. So we're really just gonna move everything back. Easy. For now. Okay, I'm gonna put a note for that. No, we're not gonna do that, Kai. Absolutely not. Jordan, I think the thing is, I think you guys all said that, and I believe you guys. It just, for some reason, it just didn't work, and I don't know why. So we'll just do it off stream. I'm just gonna write down each folder, okay, while this, if this loads. Because we gotta move on. We gotta move on. Okay, so the folders were I feel you on that. Okay, so it was audio Leo, obviously, and then we had it was audio Leo gameplay. No. Stylized Forest Volume 2 and textures and vehicles. Okay, I'm literally just gonna write all these down. It's actually not that many folders. You actually did a good job of like keeping it organized. 2 textures and vehicles. Well, again, we're gonna do that later though, not now. We just gotta move on for now because I can't believe I made you guys wait like that long. All right. Also, I'm gonna write down that new thing. And afterwards, make sure to right-click the content folder in Unreal Engine and select Fix Redirectors, because apparently that's important. And that is new. And that is good that we learned that. And by we, I mean me. Because I was the only one who did not know that. That's big. Just ran through the rest of the chat. Okay. If we're all good, then we can start. I'm just going to run the map. If I had money, I would donate $100. It's all good, Alexander. It's all good. I appreciate the sentiment, though. Oh, no. Oh, I know why. Because... Okay, I know why. Hold on. I have to get Leo's stuff, exactly. Alright, so it was audio and Leo. So audio and Leo, that's gone. I'm gonna delete those. So we gotta get audio and Leo from the original and just paste it in here. It was, I don't even know. Just, I gotta get the original ones. Taj, I wish I did advanced copy. That's if I could travel in time, I would have done that. It was crazy though, because when I did just the move option, that took forever too. So I don't even want to know how long advanced copy would take. Even this is taking a while. I'm pretty confident after this will be good, and then we can resume the original intent of the stream. Alright, let's play one game of Type Racer. Just one game. I'll play it by myself. Because that's going to take a while. Oh boy. I have $400, but I'm saving for a new... Alex, you're all good, man. Get that new PC. That's important. It's probably more important, to be honest. Alright, now let's build it again. It's because the references got messed up. The point is, we need the original files. Okay. You fast? Thank you, Jordan. I'm not even at my typing prime. They say you become the strongest you ever can be, at least for a man, I think, when you're age 25. And then from there you can maintain your strength. So hopefully I'm hoping by the time I'm 25 I can type at 200 words per minute to using that logic. So Matan, that's a great question. So we're gonna try to avoid. We want to make it a quote-unquote Fortnite clone, but we don't want to use the assets because we don't want to get we don't want to infringe on any copyright trademarks and stuff. And that's why even the name of the project at one point I think we will also change as well. So we want to be really careful when using actual assets. I love it, Taj. Alright, while the project is loading, and it'll be really quick. I won't play another game. How old are you now? I'm close. I'm about to be 23, so I don't know if my prime argument applies. See, guys, it's so stupid. Don't ask me why this works, even though you guys probably know why it works. Alright, if this works, we're going to play one more type racer, and then we'll go straight into gameplay abilities. Can we hear anything? Please. Okay, you're good now. Alright. If it weren't for Beast in the last Fortnite Clone stream, I wouldn't have even known that there was sound in the first place. Alright, so we're going to keep moving. Let me play one more game, because I need a warm-up. And then we'll get into it. Also, I'm not going to be pushing the Git for a while, Beast, because this thing's just too much of a mess. Which means I probably won't be accepting pull requests either for a while. Okay. Those guys, they were really close to beating me, but that's just not possible here. We gotta stay undefeated. Okay. Back. Poggers Champress. Alright. Back to... Also, another thing, just for Beast, if you're still here, I removed the Game Lift Client SDK. Because that thing was terrible. Can you add the feature added tag to mesh? Sure. I can do that. Type fast World Cup? There's a World Cup for typing? That's amazing. I didn't even know that was a thing. But yeah, Beast, I'll look at your PR. I literally just finished Pivot's branch. All of his stuff is now officially in. But I think there were a couple of... There were maybe one or two missing assets. I wasn't really sure. Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Good catch. I'm 20, but I type at a quarter of that speed. But see, Silverleaf, you're not at your prime at 25 yet. Which means you can 5 times your speed. Oh, no, I was joking. Jordan, you got me excited. But you would win if... Dude, I don't know, dude. There are really fast typers out there. If you guys are interested in tech YouTubers specifically, this guy named William Lin, he's big into competitive programming. I suck at competitive programming, but this guy, if he did Type Racer, he would be really fast, because it would be interesting between me and him. I think I'd beat him, though. But yeah, he's really fast, though. But I still think I'd beat him, though. Okay. Guys, we're officially going to get into it. So... Easy stuff. So first, U project file, right? So We're in plugins. Yeah, we're in plugins. Okay, so we're gonna do. So. Yeah, I can do it through there as well. Yeah, actually, I'll do it through the editor. I won't do it through here. Nope. Okay. Wait, no. There's like a thing. Yes. I was like so confused. I suck at competitive programming too. I feel you, Leaf. I feel you. Join the club. Join the club. Okay. I guess it's this one. Version 0.1. Do the mesh material PR. I thought I added it. Beast, what do you... Beast, you can also send links, by the way. I'm just saying. That would... Oh, okay. My bad. My bad, Beast. My bad. So are all these added? These are all added, right? This is also... Or... No, this is closed. This one I did not add. So, I don't even know. Got... Alright, that should be good. Enable gameplay abilities and tasks. Yes. So this is just a blueprint plugin, right? So I'm probably not even going to use this, to be honest, when I'm just coding C++, but I'll enable it anyway. Okay. Don't trust the warning, dude. I won't, Kai. Just for you. I won't trust the warning. Okay, while that's going, let's go to Fortnite Clone build.cs. Okay, so he added... So he added these... Oh, okay, so he added... Or they say add these three. Alright, we'll just build that. Okay, so let me, I guess... let's just look at the code. So... He did this, he did sprint and blueprint. Gotcha, Kai, gotcha. Thank you, good sir. Okay, so he's got some blueprint assets. Okay. Oh, you have... Okay, we'll keep that in mind later. Should I play Fortnite? Silverleaf, I'm not even sure, to be honest, at this point. Probably, honestly, I don't even think... I don't think it's possible. At least if I use cues. Yeah, I think I do have to use blueprints. Yeah, I'm probably wrong. Alex, up to you. Nose itch. My nose is itchy. We like that ringing noise. Okay, so it's a U-ability system component. So let me look at his character class. Wait, no, this is the documentation. This is the project. Okay, so let me look at his code. Wait. What's the game mode? Outside of the private public folders. I'm actually curious how he does his game mode even. What are you planning to use these for? Honestly, Taj, probably all the game mechanics. Because with the initial version of Fortnite Clone, you could theoretically argue I made my own gameplay ability system, but it was just so terrible that I don't even want to go back to it. I'm just curious. I'm just looking at this. Okay, so we use this to spawn. Okay. I might copy this logic for myself, actually. Respawn logic. Okay. I was just curious. I'm curious why he puts that. Character and player state. Thank you guys. Man, you guys are awesome, man. Where would I be with you? If it weren't for you guys, I'd be on an abandoned island. Or abandoned on an island. Oh. Okay, so this is okay. I like his project structure, actually. I just don't know why it has these outside the private and public folders. Okay, okay, so we made a module here. I subbed on alt, by the way. Thank you, Alex. I think you're being a little too kind here. Thank you, Beast. Appreciate it. Even though I don't want to have, like, if possible, don't want, like, you know, bot accounts, so would rather not have you sub with an alt, personally. But that's just me. Okay, so player stake. We'll look at the character first. Okay, I'll make a mental note of the engine subsystem. Okay, so we made gameplay. Okay, gotta look at the document. What does GS stand for again? GS? Yeah, Beast, if you don't mind. Just don't want, you know, too many mods. GS? What does GS stand for? Is that just the name of the project? Okay. Alright, character died. Okay, that looks like a delegate right there. Okay, so I need to... Okay, he put the sack. Thank you, JDBC. Characters. Put on player state. Is there any reason why? Oh wait, you said because of the respawn stuff. You can attach it to anything though, right? How does it even work? Concepts demonstrated. ASC on player state versus character. Okay, so we use the player state for control people and then character class for minions. Oh wait, no. I wonder why. Both on player and player state. Why does he use player state? I'm just curious. I mean, you know, because I'm like new. That's why I'm asking so many questions. I trust you guys. Just because from my understanding, yeah, any actor could use it. I'm just reading this right now. If your actor will respawn and needs persistent. We'll fork this. I know I'm being a stickler here, but I'll do my part to help. I mean, is that grammatically incorrect? Will if your actor will respawn and need, if your actor will need persistent. I'll just leave it for now. Do you know how to make a game in Roblox? I don't. I'm not a big Roblox guy, unfortunately. I was more of a Minecraft guy in my day. If you die, your character gets destroyed and you'll have to reinitialize the ability component again. Ooh, that is a good reason. I wish I had help with my game that I'm making. You inspired me to make a game like Fortnite. I'm glad to hear that, Alex. I'm glad I could inspire you because my game was not the greatest. Okay, I understand. I mean, I guess do I need that? If a character destroyed, that's interesting. I didn't know. So player state Oh yeah. Okay, player state does persist. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. That's new. A lot of these questions are asking about player state persistence across a map change, and I know that's not. It doesn't, but probably within a game, I could see that. Okay, I see. I understand. Probably won't be respawning, but I'll do it on the player state. I'll do it on the player state. Net update frequency. Because honestly, the character class is just so full right now, so. I think if your ability system gets destroyed with the character, you'll lose all the abilities too because they're held on that instance of the component. Yeah, that makes sense. Wow, this guy, I need, oh my goodness, this guy. Wait, we'll need, wait, let me just read this. If your actor will respawn and need percent. Nah, that's grammatically correct. I'm giving this guy a hard time. I feel bad now for forking his thing. Okay, so you only create, so net update frequency. If both the owner actor and are different actors? Typo? Should implement the ability system interfaces. Okay. I think it's just saying the actor should whatever. I'm assuming the actor with the ability system component should implement the ability system interface. Okay. Which has one function to override. Gotcha. This is my first account. Hello, Alex. Again. Okay. Alright, so let's just look at the code. And to use abilities, you need to grant them first. That does make sense. This is, bro, Unreal, man. As a guy who came from Unity, I am like so impressed by Unreal. Like, you guys have no idea. Just as such a thoroughly built out game engine is like crazy. Not trying to hate on Unity. It's just I don't even know what I'm saying. So do the player state. Player state it is. Okay, so he implements it. Okay. Is it time, gentlemen, to get into this? Okay. Oh my god, this is so ugly, but it's whatever. I mean, I think Unity is really... I think for beginners, though, I would still recommend Unity over Unreal Engine, though, if I'm going to be honest. Just because... I don't know. Also, if you're, like, really programming, too, I think Unity is good in that sense as well. Okay, so we're gonna... I feel you, Silverleaf. I feel you. That's the most true statement I've ever heard. Okay, iAbility system interface. We got system interface. That's interesting. Interface with one method. That is the weirdest thing I've ever heard. I probably need an includer for declaration. Don't worry, I'm on it. Yeah. Okay. I see the multicast delegate. Oh, he did it in both? Oh, I think he did it. He said he did. Yeah, I saw the documentation. He did it in both because whatchamacallit. He did it in both because in case like there was an AI minion or something. Taj, maybe this guy. I don't know. I don't know what I was trying to say. Okay. Dude, I'm just so lost. So where does he call? I'm just gonna look where he calls this. I use Windows 7. Alex, good luck, man, dude. Keep saving for that computer. We gotta get you off that Windows 7. Okay, so we did this. Here comes the 20,000 Chrome tabs, guys. Okay, so where does he use this? Where? But like, where does he enable it? I am confused. Oh, UEngine at subsystem initialize. 10,000 Chrome tabs. Did anyone hear that? The walls are breaking. Like I see he made this engine subsystem. Like, where does he use it? I guess is my question. So like, how do I? So like for this. It's Voodoo? Fortnite Clone is so smooth, even on my Windows 7. Thank you, Alex. That's because those assets are low poly, and the map is like really small now. I don't know with this new map if that'll be the case, but it's Voodoo. So like, I'm confused. Like, do I just make? Does Unreal, like if I make a class called Fortnite Clone engine subsystem, will it just automatically know, hey? I guess I'm confused. That is so weird. That's Voodoo, baby. That's definitely Voodoo. Can I get a shout out to some voodoo? It's actually really weird. That's so weird. It's probably like some Unreal Engine parsing thing. They probably find like the keywords or something. I don't know. Who knows? I don't know what happened there. Yes, Alex, new map. I mean, this. I didn't make it. A nice man named Leo made it. Oh, okay. Okay. Wait. Player stay. Player stay. I see, Kai, I see. Oh, wait, that was fine. That was fine. Interface. Gameplay. It's because I need this. I'll figure it out. That's definitely not gonna work. Why is it complaining? I did add it to the build file, right? Alright, we're just gonna... No problem, Silverleaf. Thank you for coming out. I appreciate all the help. You've been a blast. Okay, we're just gonna do that. Appreciate it, Silverleaf. You are a legend. What's your favorite game? Ooh, tough one. Of all time, probably Call of Duty. Ooh, actually, I don't even know that. Good question, Kai. Let's check. I did. And I did. Let me do the subsystem thing real quick. So he did. Let's just see if this works. Probably will. Sup, Beast? Welcome back. Soikadin 2? I might look that up. Is that his? Did he make that class? Oh, you ability or ability system globals? He might have made that. Yeah, he made that. I know what I need to do. I need to restart the project. Let's look up. I need to regenerate the project files. PS game from back in the day. Well, I'll look this up. You know what's crazy? I've actually seen this game before, and now I'm debating did I ever play it. But you're saying it was only on PlayStation though. Looks familiar. RPG. It looks good. Nice, Jordan, though. Nice. Reload. Save it. Yeah, that's what I figured, Kai. I think I had to regenerate the project. I think that was the biggie. I hope it was the biggie at least. Okay. Yeah, that looked like that was probably it. Oh, let's build this bad boy and then yes, please. Yeah, that was definitely it. That was it. Okay. You know what I want to do later? I'm gonna test this voodoo. Like I'm gonna comment out this stuff later. The Norway keyboard? What's the Norway keyboard? Beast, explain the Norway keyboard to me. I'm entranced. Alright, player state. Okay. So then oh, don't need that. Get rid of that. I'm trying to keep my tabs in order. Hopefully I actually succeed. I'm definitely going to look up this engine subsystem stuff later or at the end of the stream. I want to better understand that. I'm in Spawn Island. You are correct, sir. I believe you are right. Actually, let me check the player class because now I'm like really interested too. Norway keyboard. Norway keyboard. I feel like I should know that reference, but I don't. He does. Interesting. I don't know what to make of that then. I'll look at it in a bit. Okay, get ability system. Mixed. Mixed mode means we only are replicated the gameplay effects to ourselves, not the gameplay effects to simulate proxies. If another player state receives a gameplay effect, we won't be told about it by the server. Attributes, gameplay tags, and gameplay cues will still replicate to us. Just trying to understand that. Maybe he has some documentation about that. He does. This guy's amazing. Every gameplay effect is replicated to every client. Wish there were more. It's all good, Alex. The game is broken, so honestly, maybe it's better that there's not that many people in it. Oh, your characters. I got you, Beast. Mixed. So, gameplay effects are only replicated to the only client. Only gameplay tags and gameplay cues are replicated to everyone. Okay. I want to see then. I want to see his character base header file then. Because he does have. I mean, he has the ability system component in there. Okay. So in the state he makes one. He makes an ability system component. In the character class, he doesn't. He just, what does he do? So let me see how the player state overrides the, okay. So what does he call this? It's up to you, Alex. I mean, if you think it would be useful. He's calling these methods in other classes. He might be actually using the player state for this. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah, it's a character-based class. Okay, this guy's actually like a legit programmer. He's actually using like his project is very, very organized. So he probably makes the okay, so he makes it here. CASUG Alright, so he just gets it by the player state. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm probably gonna add it to both. Okay. Alright, I have a decent idea of what I need to do then. Okay, so player state, this is a mess, but jeez. Again, ahead of time, apologizing for the very ugly code. I know it's not great. Attribute set base. Yeah, I don't have that. So we'll just do net update frequency. Default is very low. Okay. 100 is probably way too high. So, Akraf, I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name right. So, this project adds it to both, but you're saying add it to the character, and then other people in the chat were saying you should add it to the player state because the player state will persist when the character's gone. But then I was wondering myself, like, do I need it to persist anyway? So that's what I'm trying to think. Like, if the character dies, like, do I still need it? And I mean, it's if in Fortnite. Alex, that is a very hard question to answer. So I can add this to the player, or I can add this to the, or sorry, I can add this to the character or the player state. I guess, yeah, and I also don't like how he's updating the net update frequency in the player state class. I feel like that's kind of. You got a good point, Akraf. Yeah, I'm trying to think of Fortnite. I mean, you shouldn't lose, as far as I know, you shouldn't lose your character. Okay. I think Akraf makes a good point. I think we should move it to the character. Okay, so a live event. I'm sorry, Alex. I don't know what a live event is. I know it's part of Fortnite, but I don't think I've ever done it. Alright, we're going to go with Mr. Akraf's advice. We're going to move everything to the character. Now, just a forewarning, this class is very messy. Like, really, really messy, so it's not going to be pretty. Okay, so that's that. Let's get rid of my changes here. Okay, player state, yeah, got rid of that stuff. Do I need this? Do I need that include statement? Seems like it's working fine with, oh yes, I absolutely do need that include statement. Okay, it's right here. Okay, so we got the player state. Crispy like hippity hoppity, your code is now mine. Beast, I like to share. Why is this? Why is it not like it now? I don't understand. I don't understand IntelliSense sometimes. Oh, Beast, I forgot. I don't think you were here, but I removed the game with Client SDK. It was just pissing me off too much. But I won't be pushing the Git for like a long time, so. So I guess the stuff he does in the player state, I'll just do in the character class. I'm actually going to check the Unreal Slackers Discord real quick. Yes, Beast, I have had that error before. So how, I don't know how I fixed it, though. I'm just responding to you on, yeah. I do remember that, though. I'm just going to look up player state character. I'm looking at the Unreal Slackers Discord. George R said, "What's your guys' thoughts on keeping the ability system on the player state, controller, or character?" And same question for attributes. I have them on the controller at the moment, but for no particular reason. We're told Fortnite and Paragon use player state. Controller doesn't make sense because it's not on all clients, but for single players, fine. Character might be nice if you want to be swapping pawns and have different systems for different pawns. Unless you want to change pawn in lobby, and then for game session you are stuck with one. Then player state is easier. It is persisted for entire session. Just keep in mind one thing. Player state by default is considered for replication once per second. Also, player state is shared across all clients, although I guess you can set it to owner only. So player state? I don't understand that. I think it's good. Try build. I didn't override a method. I didn't override this guy. Now I can't open this guy either. Let's see what this guy says. Yeah. Okay, I think it's fine. I just need to override this, I guess. See, now after reading the Unreal Slackers Discord, I just want to go back to the player state class now. Also, guys, sorry again. I know this is a very, very bad mess right now. Trust me, I definitely very aware right now. Get VA now. Visual Assist. It's not free, dude. Beast, I'm not gonna buy an extension. It's just not worth it. Why does this always happen? Oh wait, now it works. Whoa, what just happened? Do you play Apex? I don't really play much video games now. I'm just so busy. I want to. Wait, does this guy have a ability system component pointer? Or is it just built in? It does. Beast. I'm not gonna try it for free because I'm gonna have. I don't want to rely on something that I have to end up paying for. Oh, he made his own. I didn't even see that. Bro, I'm not gonna rely on something, Beast. I can't rely on something that's not gonna be free anymore. I didn't. Alex, that is a good question. Do whatever you're comfortable with. I mean, that's a really tough question to answer. So he made this, but like, oh, thank you. But I have to make it though, right? Because ability system components and interface. So where does he put it? Characters? Abilities. Wow, this is really complicated. This is okay. Gotcha. Alright, then I'll make another one then. Gotta make another class. Just to make this compile, I'll do no pointer. Just so that I can make this compile. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep reading Unreal Slacker's Discord because okay, what did he say? So he said if I don't put a separate ability component in the projectile, if the character gets destroyed before the projectile hits, the ability won't be able to run. This is why in Paragon the owner actor was the player state and the avatar actor was a character, so that the ability system component is always there even if the character dies. I'm trying to launch projectiles which have ability components that apply abilities on impact. This is a bit different. Usually you send an event back to the player that launched the projectile and handle the impact stuff there. That way you don't need an ability system component on every projectile, and you can have predicted side effects using the prediction window of the event. Alright, I think I'm just going to do player state just to be safe. Okay. So let's just create this guy. I think that's fine, Alex. Yeah, get a nice hybrid in. Nice hybrid. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna do player state. But I still appreciate the advice, Akraf. Because I think you have. Because I was literally thinking the same thing before I think you joined the stream. I was like, do I really need on the player state? But it seems like I think it's just safe. Okay. So let's make a new system. Class. Ability system component. Alright, F and C. Okay. Just running it to change all class names. Name prefixes from Fortnite Clone to F and C. Also, by the way, guys, don't forget to turn ad block off and refresh the page. Hopefully you get an ad. If you want to support the channel, it's up to you guys. Alright, so we're gonna make this, and then we'll play one game of Type Racer if we have time. Too late, Outcrop. Oh wait, I actually finished already in time. Okay. I'll just look at his. I'm just gonna literally get the most basic one I need, to be honest. Yeah, I don't need all. Yeah, I'll just do that. YouTube Premium. Oh, I have a. Thank you, Avatar Roku. I appreciate that. YouTube Premium also helps us, so very nice. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna want a constructor. Oh, I don't even have any of this. I definitely need that. Can I just do Fortnite Clone? I don't need it. Wait, what am I? Oh, this is this. Sorry about that, guys. That's just me being a derp. I was like, what? Okay, so that'll definitely help. I need a constructor. For now, I'll just leave it, I guess, blank. I mean, I don't really. Yeah, he's got blank as well. I'll figure out the details later. And I'll move everything to my player state. Oh man. Okay. We're gonna get sprinting. Hopefully. We got some. Just reading the Discord. Use C++ to set up a foundational system and blueprint to call those inherited functionalities. I think what Akraf just said is definitely like what you should do. Like what anyone should do if they're using Unreal, I believe. Okay, back to, so we'll go back to, yeah, we'll go back to this. Okay, so I'm gonna remove everything. I'm gonna move things to the character, sorry, to the player state. So I'm literally gonna do exactly what I just did before. So that's one thing. That. And that. And that was it, right? And maybe in the character class, character C++ class. We'll do that too. And then player state. We'll comment that. And then in the player state, we'll do. So I gotta make that property. Does he make it private? I mean, I'll just follow what he does. Private? He made it protected. I'll make it protected too then. Perfect. I don't even have anything that's protected. I probably need. I'll see if I need a. Yeah, I definitely need a for declaration or something. Does he have a for declaration? No, he just. Can I even... I'm just curious if I can use a. Will that work? For declaration for that? Yes, it will. This is such a long class name. Ability system component. Just build it. Okay. Sure, Alex. We got the, if you're in the Discord, you can always post your game in the Show Your Stuff channel. is correct. He's not a member of the Fortnite Clone player character. I thought the ringing noise only happened if the game compiles successfully. Now it's just compiling whenever. I mean, is it not? Wait. It's saying ability system component. Do I have to make it a U property? It's really odd. Nice, Alex, nice. Yeah, I knew that one was gonna work. Wait, why is that not working? Header files? Maybe Kai. That's actually it. How would that make any sense though? It is of type U ability system component. That would be, I'm not gonna lie, I would definitely be very, very confused if that were the case. That's actually it. I'm done. That was actually it. Thank you, Kai. So do I not need... So then what's the point of having this then? No point. How does it even work? Okay. I guess the for declaration isn't enough. Okay, so... Alright, so that's like the easy part. I'm just gonna put it to... check if the engine subsystem stuff is really necessary, because I'm still very dubious of that voodoo magic. Okay, so alright, so we have an ability system component. So how do you initialize it? So he just made it. I'm just gonna do that. And he also made an attribute set base, so I'll probably have to do that as well. Okay, alright, no. I probably need, oh, okay. Okay. Alright, so I made that. Yes, mixed mode means that we are only I am using 4.24, so that definitely applies. But we will be upgrading once we're fully done with the game live tutorials. Mixed mode means we are only replicate the G's. Okay. I'm still not 100% sure, like the subtle differences between these different replication modes. Because I'm trying to like picture this in my head, right? Like if you launch a projectile at someone, wouldn't you want that to replicate to every client? Or is it or is what's replicating just the effect on the attributes, but the animation will still be multicasted all the clients? All right. We'll just keep it there for now. I'm about to serve in the client. To initialize has been single player remote server path for player control games or for player control characters. I'll be streaming for a bit, Alex. Maybe like half more hour, cap it at like an hour. For player-controlled players where the ASC lives on the pawn, I typically initialize on the server and the pawn's possessed by function. Okay. I kind of understand by that. I don't think I'm going to do what he did. Oh no. Guys, I think... Oh no. Oh no. We are getting botted. Guys. What is going on? We are under attack. We are under attack. What is going on? Kai, I think I understand what you're saying, but we are under attack. Guys, we are under attack. There are like unless the YouTube numbers are off, we are getting like a lot of viewers. What is going on? What is going on? Guys, are we still there? Are the YouTube numbers just off? It says we have like a lot of viewers right now. What is going on right now? Oh my god, we are getting attacked. There are so many people watching right now. Can you make sure in your build... Kai, look how many people are watching. I don't know why. We're just getting a bunch of viewers. Bruh, all I know is that we're just getting botted right now. Yes, you can make sure... Also, I'm responding to someone's comment on one of our game mode tutorial videos right now. Yes, can you make sure... hey, can you make sure in your build.cs file... Sorry guys, taking a random break. Also, we are getting... Our stream is getting heavily botted right now. I don't know if this is a YouTube glitch or... But this is really bad. I don't want our channel to get banned. I know people who've gotten like banned for this, so I'm actually really afraid right now. So... Make sure... in your build.cs file that you added the JSON and JSON utilities dependencies like seen in this file. Also make sure to you can try to regenerate your Visual Studio solution files. Alright, let's go back. I had to respond to that guy's comment. Hey, can you make sure in your build.cs file that you add the JSON utilities dependencies like seen in this file? Also, you can try to regenerate your Visual Studio Solutions files for your project and then rebuild. Guys, I don't want to get banned off YouTube. I can't have my flop rib channel be taken away from me. I think it's going to stop at 200, right? It's still going up. What is going on? I'm definitely getting botted. It's just weird. What is going on? These, you know, these are definitely bots because none of them are, the likes aren't going up. It's just the viewers. Who is botting my stream right now? Almost 300? I'm not, it doesn't say that for me. Alright, but anyway, more importantly, Kai, so you were saying in the... Wait. No, this has gotta be a bot. There's no way. Bot or not? Let me check the Twitter. I don't know what's going on right now. We're being attacked. Men and ladies, hide in the bunker. Okay, but anyway, back to this. So, oh my goodness, I think I lost which one I was in. Yes. Okay. So I think what he's trying to say is that the ability system component needs to be on both the server and the client. Is it still going? Still going up? I think it stopped. But so no, yeah, it stopped. It's going down now. That was crazy. All right, we're back to normal. That was weird though. So is possessed by no, Emmanuel, I do not. I'm just on good terms with them, or I hope I'm on good terms with them. This is just a hobby. Um, maybe it can be something more, maybe not. Okay, that was really weird. I typically initialize on the server in the pawns possessed by function. Okay. Alright, this I'm just gonna override straight in the character class. Or just player controller as well. Okay, so I gotta look at both of those. So we'll do... I'll do character base. But I want to look at the player controller. No. Player controller. Okay, there we go. But was there a player controller base? There was. Yeah, it's going down. I think we're back to normal now. On possess. Okay. Okay, so this is on the server. Alright, yeah, honestly, this stuff might be worth doing a tutorial then. Because there's actually a lot more setup than I thought. Like, maybe I can do something like a very, very simple example. Like, not as, like, complicated as this. And this is still, like, a pretty simple example. So I'll start with... So, player controller... Okay. What? Is it master? It's true. Oh, it's tree slash master. Okay. The tabs are building up now. This is so weird. What an interesting stream. No. Player. Okay, so no. He just overrides the unpossessed method. Okay. That's absolutely fine. And that's he makes that protected. Okay. $10,000 prone tabs. That's exactly right. Alright. Alright, and then Fortnite Clone player CP. Let's do it right here. Get pawn? In pawn? Okay. So what is he doing here? He just does, I'll just copy it. Yeah, that definitely is a big to do, like just replace Fortnite Clone with FNC, because Fortnite Clone is really long to type out the more I think about it. I didn't even know you could do this, like straight up just Fortnite Clone player state, just like that. I thought you had to get it and then cast it. So that's new to me. I didn't even know this was a thing. Okay. That's actually really good then. I didn't know that was a thing. Okay. So initialize the abilities actor info, the structure that holds information about who we are acting on and who controls us. Okay. Okay. I kind of understand that. Oh no. I think oh no, we're getting attacked again, guys. This is so, are you guys still here? This is like really weird. Alright, something's going on. Does anyone know what's happening? Like, is something wrong with YouTube right now? I'm going on Twitter. I'm looking some stuff up. This is really weird. I don't even know if you guys are still here. I wonder if like this bot is like messing with the stream. Let's look up YouTube bots. Hey, good. This nice guy. Always good that you're here, as well as anyone else who is not a bot that's currently watching. What if like it just goes up to like 1,000? Still same number for me, really? It's changing for me, Mr. N Business. Conspiracy theory. I feel like that guy BQEQ I feel like that guy's responsible for this, only because he messaged haha yeah. I hope this doesn't become a thing every time I stream. I actually kind of like the honest number. I'm not a big fan of bots. All right. Okay. So that. Yeah, but Alex, 2K subs doesn't get you 245 live viewers. If it did, then the ads alone would actually. Honestly, if we actually got like 200 live viewers consistently on streams, we could actually arguably start getting into the talks of like turning this into like a full-time job. Because that would like be our ad revenue right now from streams, like times 20, which honestly isn't that bad. And I probably would stream more often, but I don't know if we'd keep that same viewership though. All right. Anyway, back to doc. So I need to go back to the doc. Okay. So. Okay, so I get possessed by, I get that. Alright, not possessed by, I'm possessed. I get that. He does acknowledge possession, though. Oh, crap, did I do the wrong function? Wait. Wait, for player pawns possessed by. Wait, where's his character class? Wait, he doesn't do it. He doesn't do it anymore. That's weird. So I found that by accident then. So possessed by he doesn't override anymore. I don't even know what this is. This is like a different project. Oh, I guess I shouldn't assume too much as this, because this, I don't think this documentation necessarily completely goes with the... Oh, wait, no. Oh, I didn't know there's a project for this. Oh. So then... Okay, whatever. I think what I did was fine, right? On Possess. I didn't realize it was a complete different project. Oh, that was my bad. Okay, so Possess, on Possess. I can Google that function though. On Possess. Okay, so override for when this controller possesses a pawn. Is that only in the server though? I feel like that's not necessarily the case. Okay, why is there no on possessed? Okay. 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 Alright, now the views are going down. This is really weird. Alright, I understand. Okay, so that's fine. I guess I'm following the gas shooter game. Okay, so that's the server. Okay. I'm still a little confused as why I have to do this in the player controller. Like, why can't I do this in the why can't I do this in the players? Oh, because I need the pawn. Okay, okay, I understand. I understand. Okay, I kind of understand. This is actually really difficult. I did not expect this to be this difficult. The key concept is to spawn a replicate actor on both the client and the server. Okay, so I did the server. Where am I in the documentation? Oh. Let's close these. These are like copies. Okay, so that was server only. Okay. Client only. Okay. Set the ASC for the clients. Oh, it's going up again. Dude, this is so weird. We might actually get banned for this. Wait, is it gonna go back up? No, it's going down. Can you just go back to normal, please? This is so weird. Can't even concentrate because the number on the left monitor. Let's just sit back a bit, guys. Stretch out, you know. It's not good to sit too long. I should really follow my own advice when I say that, though. Did I get a text? Oh, I got a lot of texts. Hold on, guys. Quick text checking break real quick. For me, same number. What's that number? Oh, I gotta... Hold on, someone messaged me. Wait, what's going on? Oh, I have to sign up. Hold up, guys. I gotta do something really quick for my friend. This is really important. It's like emergency. This is IRL stuff. 300? No way. Biz, for me, it's like 139 now. Oh, nope, now it's going up. Oh, no, not. I'm not trying to sign up. Yes, Reddit app, thank you. It is going up. This is the weirdest stream ever. Hey, Ghost, how you doing? We're just looking at some gameplay ability system stuff right now. I'm just taking a break because I gotta do something for my friend real quick. I'm trying to, like... I need to open this link and... I want to open up in the Reddit app, though. Yes, open Reddit. Thank you. What? I'm not logged in. Alright, hold on. Sorry, guys. Maybe restart the stream. I think we're gonna be done in about 30 minutes, so I will refrain from that. Hold on, guys. Really sorry. While I'm doing this, please be entertained by the number of viewers that keeps going up. No, I'm not making an account. I'm logging in. Okay. Calm down, Chris. You're only getting attacked by some bot troll. Okay. Log in. Alright. Oh, no, I need to open that link. Dude, I hate mobile apps. How did you get your Windows theme like that with the black icon? Underscore, it just came like that. I don't know. That's a good question. At one point, my dock was actually black and the Windows icon was white. I don't know if it was exactly that cover. Actually, Kai would know because that used to be the case in my old streams, but it just did that after a Windows update one day. Dude, I actually hate mobile apps sometimes. So if you guys want to hear some 21st century problems. Okay. So basically, someone asked me to do something which required me to log into an account, but he sent me the link on Facebook. So I click on the link. Then, first off, it was a link to a web app that has a mobile app. So I was like, okay, let me go to the mobile app. But then when I signed into the mobile app, I lost the page. So I had to go back to Facebook and re-click the link. Anyway, we're back. The question is, are these botted views, do they have ad block? Because if they don't, I actually think there's a chance we actually might get in trouble. So why do we need the character class to have an instance of the ability system component? Go into your Windows color systems and change it to light mode. That's how you get the black Windows icon. That's why. See, Windows knows me. Windows knows me as the guy who loves light mode. So they probably did it automatically for me or by default. You're eating a donut, Jordan? Oh my god, I could really use a... Jordan, what's your favorite donut? I'm a big... Oh, dude. Oh, you know what I love? I love a good glazed. I love a good Krispy Kreme. I like one... I like a good I like a donut with like red jelly strawberry filling. Underscore I'm glad you got working. I like donuts with like a chocolate top, sometimes the pink strawberry icing. Oh my goodness, that's great. Dude, these donuts are great. But my least favorite donut is I forgot what it is, but it's like some kind of glaze. Oh, glaze is amazing. Big fan of glaze. Hopefully I didn't make you guys too hungry. Okay, so we need the ability system component to replicate. I just want to make sure. So we're in the character class. Do we have an on-rep player state here? We don't. Do we have it in on-rep player state? No. It's in the character class. Windows 10 is godly. Okay, so he does do. Okay, so he does override it. All right, so then on-rep. I think I actually I might already do on-rep player state. The thing is, I might do it for other stuff. Okay, yeah. So he has a conditional check. Ooh, I actually don't have. Oh no, I'm in the player state, dude. I'm all over the place. I need to organize this. Okay, I don't have it. I don't have it overridden. 1,000 Chrome tabs. Alright, so it's public. Characters. Heroes. Bam. Okay, now we're going back to normal, guys. We're going back. Yes, we're going back. Alright, the bots are over. I think they're finally over. Well, that was an interesting experience, guys. Now the true number of viewers will come. I'm gonna guess it's at 10 on the dot. Wait, did I even compile this project? Time to get back to scripting. No problem, underscore. Good luck. Good luck with your scripting. Okay. I know on-rep player state is a client-only function. I do know that. I think it's actually going to go up again. I'm literally holding my breath. Who bought it? I don't know. Oh my goodness, I think it's actually going to go back up. I think we actually spoke way too soon. Dude, this is not organized at all. This is actually disgusting. There's no way there's 18 viewers right now. I'd be very surprised, but if there are, then I apologize to you guys who aren't talking. I love all of you guys equally. Player character. No, I'm not doing. No, I'm not doing the tick function. I'll do it in here. Okay. So in here, I guess I'll call. I didn't mean to. I think I accidentally copied and pasted again. So we'll do super on rep player state. So I forgot the parentheses. Okay, so now we're gonna do, so I also need a pointer, right? To, oh, because it's in his character base class. So we're in public characters, base. He had a ability system component guy right here. Yeah. And he made that protected. Yeah, he's got multiple instances of this. I mean, I guess I could keep it in there, but protected. These are functions. These are public. I'll just make it on here. Whoever disliked, why would he do that? That's a good question. I mean, I've just been confused this whole stream, so I really have no idea what's going on. That was really loud. Apologize for that. I don't know if you guys heard that. That was a big door slam. I don't know what happened there. Oh. Thank you, Jordan. I appreciate that. I really appreciate that. And I love you back. Okay, so I mean, this is pretty easy, so yeah, this function, and again, guys, apologize for the really disgusting code. If not ability component system, right? Wait. Oh, this is player state. Okay, he's going to player state. Okay, so then when I call player state, do that. Player state. You know, I'm really upset that I didn't know how to do this until now, because if I knew how to do this, this could have saved so many lines of code in those game lift tutorials. Like, it's actually crazy how much code this could have saved, which could have made the tutorials way shorter too. Because what I would do is I would call get player state without the cast, and then I would cast it separately. But I would do an if check on both, so it would end up being like really long. All right, so I'm gonna do if player state. But see, like, I don't know how often the player state's gonna replicate, so I'm just gonna do if ability. So if it's if it's not, wait, yeah. So I'm gonna do. There's definitely some bot viewers still. I'm definitely not like. Okay, I'm probably gonna do this separately then. But he has light mode. Come on, guys. Light mode ain't bad. Light mode's good. Wait, so player state. Okay. Oh, I can't do that. I'll just call this. I don't know, dude. Maybe like. Because I don't want to assume it's. You know, I don't want to assume. Okay, so I'll call it like. Component. Mirarasu Vlad, I'm very sorry, but you'll get used to light mode. Light mode's not that bad. I prefer light mode. I know that's a long variable name. I apologize for that too. I'm not getting the autofill. Okay, no, I am. Get ability system component. that. Okay. So I followed the documentation up to that point. This is a really good, it's really good documentation so far. I didn't do an ability, so I'm gonna do that. And then, should I show a teaser in Discord? Of course, Alex, feel free, feel free. Alright, so next up, I wonder if Kai's still here or if I bored him too much. Alright, that was good. So it's gonna be the player state. Okay. So the player state's always gonna be the owner. Okay, I get it. The player state is gonna be the owner of the character in terms of the ability system component. I kind of get that. I still don't know like why theoretically you need that, but yeah, I really don't get that. So Kai, do you like what was the point of me doing that? Like what was the point of init ability actor info? Like what is that for? I really don't get this function at all. Nah, you're good, Kai, you're good. The ASC needs to be initialized with its owner actor and avatar actor. What is the owner actor or what's the avatar actor? I don't understand. The structure that holds information about who we are acting on and who controls us. Initialize the abilities actor info. The structure that holds information about who we are acting on and who controls us. Owner actor is the actor that logically owns this component. Okay, so the player state on both the client and the server is owning the... Hey, Diamond, how you doing? Is owning the ability system component on the character. Avatar actor is a physical actor in the world we are acting on. Usually a pawn. Okay. I kind of get it from this description. Okay. I think you are right. Okay. So... how hard would it be to do a sprint right now? So basically we can literally do everything through the sprint. So he does bind ASCI input. Ooh, I don't like that. Bind ability system component. Okay. That might be a good test. I'll do that. Bind ASC input. Okay. So we'll do... So when you're done with this Fortnite clone, is it going to be public so I can play it? Absolutely, Jordan. That is the plan. It's just going to take some time. As always, with literally everything that on this channel. Okay. Okay, so I think we have a good way to end this stream, though. So I'm guessing I'm approximating about like 30 more minutes. Okay, so let's move on to... Okay, so let me define a function. Do you want to get a project, a basic setup of this? Kai, it's all good. I think we're like... I kind of got the gist of it now. I just need to do one more thing, though. I just don't know where to make this function. Did you make this public? Or private? I feel like you should make it private. But I appreciate it. Bind ASC input. He made this a... He made protected. This guy loves protected functions. I just need to, like... Also, I don't need this class. But I appreciate it, Kai. I think we're, like, pretty much there, like, in terms of, like, a very basic step. There's no bots. I don't know. I feel like 16 viewers. You don't think there's any bots? I feel like there might be some. Void bind ability system component input. I'm just not 100% sold on, like, why we need the player state to hold the ability system component, but that's okay. Dude, it's actually so loud downstairs. I'm getting afraid. I need to get out of this house. Okay. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Okay. So he uses a flag. I'm not gonna have this flag because I'm only initialize the ability system component once. Alright. Ignore the background noise, please. Okay, so bind ability activation to input component. I have to Google this function. Also, I'll be right back, guys. Hold on, give me a sec. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Ironically, it actually wasn't the noise in the background. It's actually, I just had to really use the bathroom. It's kind of holding it for a while. Okay. You said check setup player input component? So, this guy made a separate method because of a race condition, because what he's saying is that by the time the player state gets replicated, because once the player state gets replicated, then we can get the ability system component from the player state. But the problem is this function may not get called this might not get called by then. So I think that's why he's doing this. So I'm just gonna trust him. And honestly, that's kind of a good, interesting point. I don't know if what I just said made sense. Also, I don't need this. All right, we're just gonna call this. Find that enum. Is this, where's the... Where does he do? Did I skip it? No. I definitely skipped it. Okay, I definitely skipped it. Oh, welcome back, Beast. Okay, so you're saying in gas documentation you bind that enum. The bind function is tied to the enum. Alright, I have to Google this function. It's in the gameplay ability section. Okay, so it's further down. I have to Google this function. Snipping tool. Should probably use that. Bind an input component with customized bindings. Okay, so I need to look up this. And I'll go back to after you're saying gameplay abilities section. Direct input state replication. These will be called if B replicate input directly is true on the ability and is generally not a good thing to use. Okay, I see. Bind availability, is that the function? Yeah, that's the function I'm using. So Beast, we've made some good progress, so we're at the point where we're binding an input to an ability. Okay. If your ASC lives on the player space, okay, so this is where he talks about the race condition. Okay. Therefore, I recommend attempting to bind to input in setup player component and on rep player state. On rep player state is not sufficient by itself because there could be a case where the actor's input component could be null. Oh. Okay, I understand. He didn't do that in... Does he do that in his project? Okay. Okay, he does. That's why he has the flag. Okay, so I do need that flag. Bool ability system component input binded. I know, guys. Long variable names. Welcome. If hasn't been binded yet. Thank you, Kai. I should have listened to you when you first told me that. Beast, we're making good progress. That's all we need to know. And yes, I know this code is very, very ugly. So ugly. Okay. No. Well, kind of. I need to. So I'm gonna set this to false. Okay, that should be pretty simple. So I call it in here, and I call it in onRep player state. Okay, so now this function, this is what I gotta figure out now. So what did you say about Beast? I told you, I can't rely on tools that are only free for a certain period of time, because then I get too used to it, and then I ultimately buy it, and right now I can't be spending too much money, because we're kind of low on the funds. Narcsum gas tutorial. Let's look at this one. I did see this one. I saw this one too. I'll look at it later at another time. Okay, so I get the function. I just need the data. I just need to further explore like the type of parameter that this function is taking. So it's a struct. It's got a bunch of variables. So cancel target command. Cancel target input ID. Bro, why are people shutting the door so loudly? All right. Hopefully his documentation. Oh, okay. I get the enum. Okay, I think I get the enum now. I think I get the enum. Okay, so where does he put the enum? Okay. So then where? Thank you, Beast. I appreciate that. Can you show some gameplay? TW Fox SWE, not right now, but we will when the game gets to a better state. But I appreciate you coming down and, chatting for a bit. But yeah, the game right now, I would definitely say is not really ready for that. Yes, Beast, I do. I can't really afford my own place right now. What job you work? Jordan, so I'm a software engineer at a healthcare company. It's a fun stuff, Wink. But yeah, I'm really sorry for not being able to show gameplay. It's literally just I can't because one, we're like redoing so much stuff. Like we're putting in a new map. We're literally redoing like all of our gameplay mechanics so that it doesn't even rely on like the old code anymore. So it's gonna be a while. But we'll post like dev vlogs and stuff, and eventually hopefully we can get a multiplayer session with anyone who wants to play. Okay, so I get the enum. I'm just looking at this class. Possess. No, this is the player control. I need a character. Okay. So he uses bind ASC input. Okay. So his thing is called EGS ability input ID. So I just gotta find out where he defines that. Okay. He doesn't hear. Yeah, B, so the reason why I did that, you're talking about this guy. The name was too long. If I try doing, and I put it to do to like name everything, like to rename everything that's prefixed with Fortnite Clone to F and C, because when I tried doing Fortnite Clone, it was too long. This is the new map. I didn't even make this. One of our viewers made this. A very nice gentleman. And it looks really nice, I'm not gonna lie. Can't really make this myself, so don't have those skills. But yeah, Beast, I had no choice. I'm gonna end up renaming stuff though. We're still gonna clean this. It's just this stream. I want to try to get this entity. I'm sorry, ability gameplay component stuff. Okay, so this. Am I doing the character or? We're gonna do in the character for now. Just make it like really easy. No. Alright. Literally. Like. FNC, or I'll just call it E ability input. I'll literally keep it like super simple. I'll keep everything. I don't know. I'll just use all this stuff. Are you gonna add building? Yeah, so Jordan, there is building right now, but it's kind of broken. So we're gonna like go back and fix it. We're gonna improve it, and that'll be like its own thing too. The building needs to be improved. Literally everything needs to be improved, so you know. E-ability input. Okay. So then what is all this other stuff? Confirm target. Cancel target. So like, I don't know how this works. Hello, Mr. Parko. So if I build this, this will work. But then it's like, how does it enable those abilities though, I guess? So we got like some progress down. Let me go back to the documentation. So confirm and cancel inputs. To bind input to an ASC. Okay, I did that. I got that. Okay. I get the race conditions. Binding to input without activating ability. Or in the don't match input. Nice, Parko. Okay, but we supply the mapping between them and bind ability activation. Okay, so there's another method. There's so many methods here. Not player control. I think I'm done with player controller. Also, there's no way this stuff's gonna work either. That's funny. Textures and shaders. I'm not. The thing is, Fox, I'm not like an art guy. That's why I have to like rely on other people to like do this stuff for me, because I'm just so bad at art. But hopefully, the answer is I have no idea. Hopefully, we will one day. Oh wait, I already did that. Okay, so then what's the? So what do I do? Okay, so I did that. Ooh, okay. Good point, Beast. Good point. Yeah, that's gonna be the question. What is Fortnite Clone gonna be made? Because we definitely can't keep that name. Would it be possible to do a Fortnite Clone with Blueprint? I think so. I don't see why you couldn't. Again, I'm not really like the best game developer, so it's like, you know, I wouldn't be the greatest person to ask about this, you know? Okay, I think I know why he put that. I think I know why he put this file in like, or this enum in like its own file in like the outside of the source folder. Because he's clearly accessing it from multiple places. So he's doing this in his public. Let me go to the definition of that overridden function. What do you have so far? We honestly, Jordan, I would just say like we have a map. That's it. We have the quote unquote knowledge. Kai knows what I'm talking about. Maybe. We're starting from scratch, basically. Because what we did before was kind of like terrible. I'm gonna be honest, it wasn't that good. I mean, we made it really quickly, you know, so and that's okay. Ability component system. Where do you put the ability component system? There we go. Ability component system. Ability system. Dude, I keep thinking it's ability component system because I keep thinking of entity component system, which is like really popular in programming. Okay, so he overrode. No. What was that method? Ability local. No. Ability local input pressed. Okay. Guys, we're almost there. We're almost there. 3 hours on. Yeah, we're almost there. I think we're actually gonna get somewhere. We are almost there. I know I said that. Honestly, this stream should have been like an hour shorter, but like, what's entity component system? It's like, well, I think now it's like really popular because of, it's just an architecture pattern in game development. Unreal uses it. Unity is trying to use it now. But I mean, they've made progress, so I'm not gonna hate on them. Okay. So no, not the character. Where's my FNC? Okay. Is this he made this public? Okay, he made it public. All right, and then in the C++ class. I should just copy the whole thing. Okay, so I understand. Okay, I kind of understand why he. Now I gotta look at. Do you think the game here is no? Absolutely not. This game, Fortnite Clone, is so, dude. There's no way. Fortnite's like a real game developed by like really smart people. Can't really say the same for our game. Do you know when the new free items are coming? Free items? What do you mean, Parko? I don't know anything about free items. Puts a you fucking. Don't scare me, Beast. Don't scare me. Okay, so abilities. What's it called? Okay. Wow, this is really complicated. Where is this function? I don't, Parko, unfortunately. Okay, so free of the month stuff. Okay, so spec. Dude, this is a big project. I'm just gonna use this one. I think I'll settle for if I can get a print statement going. Okay, just. Where's the definition of this class? Oh, okay. No, this is a built-in one. Okay. Okay. I understand. Okay. So basically, he compares the input ID to activatable abilities, which I'm assuming is. Okay, so I gotta go to the header file. I kind of understand what's going on. I think I'm just gonna get a. Oh, thank you. Parko, sure. This is the map. Dude, I keep thinking the arrow keys are the same thing as the. Oh, hey, bio. We're like almost done. But yeah, I think I know what's going on now. We're in characters? Yes. Yeah, so I think, okay, I kind of understand what's going on. Where is this coming from then? Activatable abilities. All good, bye, all good. Welcome back, Alex. What is activatable abilities? Oh, that's probably built in. That's probably built into the ability system component class, or... Yeah, probably is. Do you know how to do gliding? No. The abilities we can activate. Okay. How did he set them, though? I don't even remember when he set them. Can you move your face cam up so we can see your taskbar? What? Oh, time. I don't know where he says activate. Kai, are you there? Where's he set activatable abilities? Like, when does this get set? Because I think I understand what's going on here. I think, like, in this function, he's just... Once there's some input, and then he just checks, like, he compares your input to, like, which ability you wanted to activate, and then you just activate it. I think that's, I don't know. We'll see. They just want to see your clock. I know. I'm just gonna add a UE log statement. If I can get this to log something, then I'll consider that a success, but I'm not gonna hold my breath too long for that. Dude, ability system component. Ugh, dude, I gotta remember that. I keep calling it ability component system. I know it's not that. Ability system component. Ability system component. Ability system component. Ability system component. Yeah, it is, Kai. But I'm wondering, like, how it gets populated. Ability system component. Ability system component. Ability system component. Okay. Ability system component. Alright, confirm target. Alright, we'll just add those. Ability system component. Ability system component. Not ability component system. Ability system component. Yes, I know this picture's too big. Ability system component. I'm just gonna use, like, the C key. Do I got the C key? Ability system component. Ability system component. Okay. No, oh my goodness, I keep doing that. Ugh. That's when you know we got to end the stream soon. I keep accidentally closing the project. Hold on. It'll come back, don't worry. Ability system component. Ability system component. It's a component of the ability system. Ability system component. Ability system component. Ability system component. Ability system component. But yeah, Kai, you're right. It is it is a part of not this. This. No. We literally just had it. Why do I keep this is what happens when okay, here we go. Yeah, it's part of the ability system component class, but I just don't know how it gets set. Kai, I know. I just like doing things the hard way. That's why I'm crazy. Uh, also, I literally did no research into ability system components before this. Okay, let's add a third person character guy. Or no, a player start thing. How do I get like right by the water? Right on the land. Okay. Jordan, so it wasn't made by me, it was made by a guy named Leo. And I think he actually made it live on stream. Also, sorry if this is too loud. I can lower the volume if you guys want, but he made it. He got assets in Unreal, and then, or he got assets off the marketplace, and then he used like all the editors in Unreal, like for materials, textures. Like he did this all in Unreal. I'm pretty sure. Like he didn't use some kind of custom application. Also, how do I change the game mode? You're right. Wait, are there any? Oh, there's a lot of player starts already. Where are the other ones? Oh. Thank you. World Machine. He streamed it live, but then he got rid of it. I don't know. Leo's a traveling salesman, so he'll come in here like every so often, basically like once a couple months or something. Change the game mode. You're right. You are right. You are right. Oh boy, I'm really scared. This is gonna fail. Oh, this game's definitely crashing. I can't even move. Oh yes, I can. Oh, that's terrible. Wait. I want to be in the output log tab. Yeah, TOW. That's something people keep suggesting to us. We definitely have to do that. Wait, Beast. What do you mean he used the Fortnite map? Also, this is taking way too long to load. Wait, I am using that key for something else. I need to change that key. I can't use C. I'll use like P. I'll literally use P. I don't think I'm using P. It's broken, Jordan. Trust me, you don't want to. Oh, I'm getting a phone call. We're getting a phone call live. Hold on, guys. I'm going to. Oh, I think I might have accidentally leaked his number. Do you guys see a phone number? Also, All right, good. Oh, copyright. Yeah, hopefully that didn't leak anything. Okay, yeah, I don't know what's going on. So, oh, dude, this takes forever to play. All right, that's good that you guys didn't see a phone number. I mean, it's not my phone number, but I mean, dude, this is so slow. All right, so this isn't working. Why is it not working? Confirm. Oh, is it confirm target? Did I type it wrong? Confirm target, right? Or is it confirm? Did I bind it right? Let me make sure. You know what? You know what I need to make sure? Oh, sorry, I gotta leave soon, so this might not be the greatest thing. But I'm gonna do... We're gonna put this. Okay. I want to make sure that's getting called at least. Okay. Are you gonna be live streaming tomorrow? Yes, but Beast, that would be the smart thing to do, but we're not smart here. Yes, we will be. We will be, Jordan. We will be. Okay, so it was binded. So am I calling this right? I mean, it's calling this, so I don't know what's going on. Any ideas? Oh, okay. I don't think it's confirmed target. I think it's literally just confirmed. No, I did it again. Oh my goodness. All right, I think that probably will work though. But yeah, Beast, you were telling the truth, right, about not seeing the phone number, because my friend will get really mad at me. Okay, let's run this again. Okay, this is taking forever. But yeah, we will add an FOV slider. We definitely will do that. Okay, we're good. I had to name it confirm, not confirm target. Alright, so we're good. I'm pressing the P key. Alright, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in to another Flopper and Fortnite Clone stream. I think I learned a lot about ability system component, and you guys may have, hopefully you guys learned something. I don't think you guys did, because these streams are terrible for learning. They're great for me learning, which is really selfish, but also I like interacting with you guys. So I'm going to give a shout out to everyone who came. Thank you to Beast, Kai, Alexander, Akraf. By the way, the chat's cut off at the top, so I apologize. I apologize if I didn't mention your name. Avatar Roku, End Business, Emmanuel, Ghost, _ Jordan. I think I said Jordan's name already. Mararasu, Vlad, Diamond Fella, TWL Fox, SWE, Mr. Parko, Trigam, and BioBlaze. Thank you guys all for coming. I really appreciate it. Beast, I can't push my work yet. The project's, I'll explain to you in DMs. But thank you guys for joining. We will be streaming tomorrow at around the same time, 12 p.m. Eastern. Hopefully I'm not late like I was this time. And we will be doing PlayFab stuff, not Fortnite Clone. Thank you guys again.